Welcome to the Enchanting World of Hydrangeas. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating and diverse world of hydrangea flowers. Hydrangeas, scientifically known as hydrangea, are beloved for their exquisite blooms and versatility. These iconic flowers are cherished for their stunning appearance, rich symbolism, and adaptability. Join us as we explore the enchanting world of hydrangeas. The genus Hydrangea encompasses a variety of species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Hydrangeas are characterized by their large, showy flower clusters that come in an array of colors, including shades of blue, pink, white, purple, and even green. Their blooms can be mop-head, lace-cap, or panicle-shaped, and some varieties offer a change in color based on soil pH. Hydrangeas hold cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with gratitude, understanding, and heartfelt emotions, making them popular choices for weddings, anniversaries, and as thoughtful gifts. Additionally, hydrangeas are known for their longevity and ability to thrive in various garden styles. One of the most remarkable features of hydrangeas is their adaptability to different growing conditions. They can flourish in gardens, as container plants, and even as cut flowers in floral arrangements. Their versatility adds to their popularity among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. Efforts are made to conserve native hydrangea species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, hydrangeas are more than just beautiful blooms. They embody the spirit of versatility, gratitude, and the enduring appeal of enchantment. Hydrangeas are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to more humid and subtropical zones. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Hydrangeas are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate and even subtropical climates. Some varieties endure cold winters, while others flourish in warmer conditions. Soil preferences. Hydrangeas prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. They are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. Soil pH can influence flower color in some hydrangea species. Watering needs. Hydrangeas require regular watering to maintain consistent moisture during their growing season. Adequate hydration is essential for healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Sunlight requirements. While hydrangeas thrive in partial shade, some varieties can tolerate full sun, making them versatile for gardens with varying light conditions. Hydrangeas offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their enchanting charm into your outdoor space. Garden borders. Plant hydrangeas as striking focal points in garden beds, borders, or as foundation plantings, adding a burst of color and elegance to your landscape. Container gardening. Grow hydrangeas in pots and containers to bring their stunning beauty to patios, balconies, and small spaces. They are perfect for container gardens. Cut flower gardens. Cultivate hydrangeas in cutting gardens, where their elegant blooms can be used for exquisite floral arrangements, adding a touch of enchantment to your home. Mixed borders. Combine hydrangeas with other perennials, shrubs, or annuals to create mixed borders that offer diversity and visual intrigue. Woodland gardens. Plant shade-tolerant hydrangea varieties in woodland or shade gardens, adding an element of enchantment to shaded areas. Accent plants. Use hydrangeas as accent plants to enhance specific garden features or create focal points within your landscape. The versatility of hydrangeas empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create dramatic borders, charming container displays, or elegant woodland settings. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey into the enchanting world of hydrangeas. Hydrangeas have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their stunning blooms, versatility, and the joy they bring to gardens and celebrations. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a floral enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of hydrangeas, may these enchanting flowers continue to bring elegance, gratitude, and a touch of enchantment to your life and surroundings.